Namaste friends. Today we are embarking on an incredible journey into the heart of Earth's majestic geological history. Join me as we uncover the captivating story behind the formation of the awe-inspiring Himalayas. Welcome back friends to our channel Dibyo. Today's topic is the formation of Himalayas. The Himalayas are the tallest mountain range in the world. If you look at the diagram, Himalaya is located in South Asia. If you look at the diagram, the Himalayas stretch for over 2400 kilometers and their highest peak is Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meters tall. Friends, so how did these amazing mountains form? The word plate was introduced by J.T. Wilson in 1965. The Himalayas were formed by a process called plate tectonic. Later we'll discuss in details. Plate tectonic is a theory that the earth crust is made up of a number of plates that are constantly moving. These plates can collide with each other or they can slide past with each other. The major plates are Pacific plate, North American plate, South American plate, African plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate and Antarctican plate. When two plates collide, the one that is denser will subduct or slide under the other plate. Here in this video, the ocean plates are heavier than the continental plate. That is why it's subducting under the continental plate. This process of subduction is what caused the Himalayas to form. Millions years ago, what we know now as the Himalayas was once a vast ocean floor. Friends, if you look at the diagram, the collision of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate was a monumental event that set the stage for the creation of this. As the Indian plate began its journey northward, it started to push against the Eurasian plate. This immense pressure caused the denser Indian plate to start subducting beneath the Eurasian plate, leading to a series of geological processes that eventually led to the rise of the Himalayas. Friends, the Himalayas are an important part of the environment and to the people who live there. They help to regulate the climate and they provide a source of water for millions of people. The Himalayas are also a popular tourist destination and they are known for their stunning scenery. As we conclude our journey through the geological history of the Himalayas, I am left in awe of the powerful forces that have shaped these magnificent peaks. Remember, dear viewers, that beneath every mountain lies a story waiting to be discovered. We reach at the end of the session. Thank you for choosing the Dibyo as your learning companion. We'll meet very soon.